Good evening, everyone, wherever you're watching me from. Here's some Jason YK again. So I want to officially welcome you guys to a new month. Today is the 2nd of March, 2025. And then yeah, we're done with February. So this is a new month, and then a new month candle is available right now. So I'll be the one to do the top down for what we should be expecting for next week. Okay, guys, so without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight to what we have to do today. So let me just delete all this stuff I have on my screen. Yeah. So as we know that it's a new month, so it's necessary we start from monthly candle. So we go straight to our monthly. We go straight to our monthly, whereby we break it down and see what the market has for us for next week. But firstly, let's check what the news is telling us for next week. So presently, we have already filtered my news. So on Monday, we have USD news. On Tuesday, we have JPY news, not much impact. On Wednesday, Thursday, on Friday, on Friday, there will be NFP. And this is going to be very massive. So it's going to have massive effect on the market next week. This is on Friday. This is what we have for Friday. I'm expecting a new candle to open tomorrow, which is going to be a new monthly candle. So right now, we can see that the market failed to break above this area last month, and then here as well. So I'm done with the monthly. So I'm just going to move a bit fast. So weekly now, for last week, the market was just ranging within this zone, within this area, within this area. The market has been ranging within that area. So I'm expecting a new candle from monthly and a new candle from the weekly. So here's my trend line. Let's make it a thick one. Yeah. Looking at the market now, just like I do tell us, so this is my Fibonacci from the low to the high to get the next destination of the market, which is going to be here. If we eventually break out from here, the market is going to that zone. Take it or leave it. So now, moving forward to the daily. So right now, this is our daily candle. And if you observe the market, you will see that the market has just been so bearish around this zone. It has been bearish for some times, and then this is just a little retracement on the market. And then it's failing to break below this. It's failing to break below this area, which is this is 8 cap chart anyway. So it's failing to break out from this zone, and it's failing to break above this area as well. Failing to break above here and failing to break below here. So definitely the market has just been ranging within this area for the past how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So throughout last week, the market was just ranging between here to here, here to here. From Monday to Friday, the market just kept ranging here. So now, for next week, where we're going to have a new candle that will pop up, I'm just going to go straight to my 4 hours in order to finalize what we should be expecting from the market next week. So right now, I'm going to bring out a trend line. We've done our Fibonacci, and our Fibonacci tells us that if the market should break here it's coming down to this place. So right now, we're just going to have a trend line, a bearish trend line that will be coming from the eye, from up to here. I will just try to put two. Yeah, let me just put this. Yeah. So this trend line. So definitely on Friday, let me just make it like one. Yeah. So definitely on Friday, this trend line got broken here. So it got broken here on this is on Thursday as well, but it was faked out. It ranged back inside and went down again. So on Friday, it broke out and eventually closed above the trend line. So now, moving forward, this is another important area that should be considered on the market. So what I'll be expecting from the market for this week we are going into is we have from our trend line, we have first touch down, we have second touch here. So a third touch is still expected around this area. Around this area. Left to me, I still expect the market to do some magic and eventually come to touch this trend line. This trend line. So these are the things that we should be expecting from the market. There will be, if a candle should open this zone, I'm still expecting this zone to hold it, especially on, if you look at the news, let me just remove this. If you look at the news for next week, on Monday, there's no much news. Tuesday, nothing much. Wednesday, nothing much. Thursday, nothing much. Friday. So it's Friday, I'm expecting a breakout from this zone, from this range, either up or here. So now, on Monday, I'm still expecting something here. I'm expecting this place to still hold the market and maybe drop it down here to come and give us third touch on this trend. So once we have the third touch on this trend, then I'm expecting something massive here. So I'm still expecting a range around here and to drop the market down and to take us up. So it will give us something like a third touch on this trend. It will be a third touch on this trend and take us up. Another thing that can happen is, because this trend line is broken, although I'm not seeing the momentum that can break this area now, but we are not predicting, we are only reacting to what market is saying. The market can decide to open on Monday and it will just gap up and there will be a gap around here. If the market should open on Monday and it just gap up here, tonight rather, and it just gap up here, and then we should be expecting a breakout retest here, and then what? We should be expecting to take it up. Let me remove that. So if there is a gap up here, so we should just expect a break and retest here, and then to take us up. So something like this, and then it will take us all the way here. So if we should have a break above this zone, just wait for a retracement. So it will be like a break and retest around here, and retest around here, and then it will take us up to this zone straight. So on the buy level, we are expecting about, let's say from here to this point, our TP1 is going to be about 600 pips for TP1, and TP2 is going to be about 1,000 pips. So we are not expecting nothing less than 1,000 pips this week. And if we should take it down from here, down to this level, if the market is failing to break here, we are going to sell it down to this level. We have our daily conferences that we use, we have our daily conferences that we use. If the market could not break here, we're going to take it down to this point again, which is going to be like another 500 to 600 pips, and probably to this trend line level, and then we'll take it to overall from this trend line up to this point, which is going to be about 2,000 pips. So on a minimum level, we are not expecting nothing less than 1,000 pips this week. So maximum 2,000 pips. So we have our daily conferences that we use. So don't jump into the market. Make sure you follow your daily conferences. We have our psychological level, the Fibonacci, the trend line, the key levels, candlestick. Everybody know the conferences that I use. We just make sure we keep it very simple, you know. So the link to my Telegram channel is going to be on the description. So you're free to join. So my mentee and I, we trade live every day. So if you want to join us, the choice is yours. So you can reach out to me on Telegram as well. So on Tuesday, I will try my best to give you guys a free live again. So which I'm going to trade live with you again on Tuesday for free. So the link is going to be shared on my Zoom for anybody that want to trade with me live on Tuesday. All right, so this is where we're going to end it for today. So till I come your way again, this is Jason YK signing out. Peace out for everyone. So can everybody see the way it was analyzed, right?
Yes, boss.
It's very simple, no need to stress, nothing. Do we have anybody that's got any question regarding this analysis or something? Feel free to ask
All right,
now.
boss. Good afternoon,
Or
sir.
any advanced question or anything. Yeah. So let's have it now.
Good
If any,
afternoon. Good afternoon, boss.
all right, you're
Good
welcome,
afternoon,
Mr.
boss.
Sidov. You're welcome, sir.